lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case this is your first time here, my name is Taz Shiko and you're so very much welcome. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very beautiful way on how you can be able to create an ombre lip. So watch the video till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and like this video. So let's do this.
I'm going to start off with this Maybelline lipstick. I'm going to leave the shade name on the description box, so kindly check that out. And on how I do it is I start from the inner corner, going to the middle part, and on the both sides. So it's very hard to start from the middle part going to the inner corners. I find it very hard, so I start from the inner corners going to the middle part. And on the top part I just do the same thing, and on the top part I'm going to overline. Also on the bottom part I actually overlined a little bit, just a little bit, for today's look. I want my lips to look a little bit more fuller. And when you are creating ombres, it's very safe to, I know makeup is an art and you can create whatever it is that you want, but it's very, very safe. You use the darker color on the outer part and then the lighter shades on the inner part. So it's very, very safe when you do that. But definitely makeup is an art. You can create whatever it is that you want, but I'm just showing you how to create this type of ombre lip. So after that I go in and just fill in the top part with the shade that I was actually using by Maybelline. So I just fill in, and don't dip your applicator on the lipstick too many times. You just need one application if it's a good lipstick and you're good to go. And then on top of that I'm going to apply this Wet and Wild lipstick, and I'm just going to apply it around the area where I left the gap. And then after that I'm going to blend with a brush. I know it's very tempting to smudge in your lips, but don't do that on this look. Don't do that. So, and then I'm going to use a lighter shade of red to give me the exact ombre that I wanted, exact ombre look that I wanted. And I'm going to use this Milani lipstick, and it's in the shade Amore. It's almost finished actually, but it's the one that I'm actually going to use because I'm not even going to use a lot of it. And then apply as I blend. And then I'm going to apply this LA Colors lipstick. This is very, very close to the shade that I had applied earlier, the darker shade of Maybelline that I was applying earlier. It's very, very close, but this one is a little bit, just a little bit darker and a little bit more matte. So for the Maybelline, it's a little bit more shiny. It's a matte but shiny, but this one is matte. It's not shiny. So I'm just going to apply that all over the areas where I applied the Maybelline shade. And then after that I'm just going to clean up, and I'm going to be using a Legal Pro concealer. This is in the shade Fawn, and I'm using a flat brush too. So this just helps with, in case you made any errors, in case you went way too high and beyond with your lipstick, it just helps to clean up and just make it to look very, very neat and beautiful. And this is the final look, guys. Tell me your views on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye, guys.